Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further
Environment Canada has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Alberta at 3:08 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Friday, July 2nd, 2021. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Kananaskis, Improvement District near Kananaskis, Municipal District of Rocky View near Bragg Creek, and Tsutina Reserve and Foothills County near Critis, and Brown Lowry Provincial Park. A severe thunderstorm warning